Hi, I'm Karen. We're here at Montavilla Sewing Center, and today we're talking about the Brother Innov-ís BQ950. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the machine. So to start out with, we have where you plug in your power, and above that, you have your on-off switch. Over here, we have where you plug in your foot control, and this is your hand wheel. Then over here, we have the handle, nice sturdy handle for carrying your machine. Here we have a cover, and inside the cover is your stitch chart. Here you have your bobbin winder spindle and the thread guide for winding the bobbin. This is your spool pin, thread guides for threading your machine. And then down here, of course, we have the needle and the presser foot. Now, the presser foot has this really neat feature where you can push a button in the back and the presser foot drops off, and you can change presser feet very easily. The needle plate has markings for inches as well as for centimeters. Then you have this wonderful storage bin. You have a front portion and a back portion. I'll take that off so you can see that. It looks like this. And you also have a switch in the back here for dropping the feed dogs. I'll show you what that looks like. You just push that the opposite direction from where it is. It drops the feed dogs. To make your feed dogs come back up, push the switch in the opposite way and take a stitch. And that little click that you heard is the feed dogs re-engaging. Now, of course, you can use your hand wheel, but why reach over there when you've got a button right here? Okay, to put the presser foot back on, just match up the stitch hole in the foot with the stitch hole in the needle plate, like that. Lower your presser lever, and your presser lever is right back here, snaps right back on. You've also got a little extra lift that you can do if you have something thick that you're sewing. Then we also have, this is the socket here where you would put your knee lifter, move that with your knee, and you can raise and lower your presser foot with that. I'm going to take that out for now, and put this back on. Accessory tray. Oh yes, it's a nice thing about this is a free arm. It's great for sewing jeans hems, this area here. So most of the time we're going to be having that right there. Now on the side here we've got a thread cutter. You can cut your threads this way. We've got a needle threader right here, and I'll show you that in my threading video. Then we also have behind the needle threader, we have the buttonhole lever, and you use that when you're doing buttonholes. It helps to make a consistent length of buttonhole. Here you have your start-stop button. Now it's not working right now until you lower your presser foot. Now that's green. Now your start-stop button is what you would use instead of your foot control, so you would disconnect your foot control to use that. Here we have the reverse button. As long as you push that, it'll sew in reverse. And here we have the locking stitch button, which makes a nice little knot on the back of the fabric. This is your needle up, needle down. This is your thread cutter, and so the machine will actually cut your threads, pull the thread tails to the back for a nice, neat finish. This is your speed slider, and you want to use this whenever you're trying to do something really careful, like maybe a complicated applique or something like it, or free motion quilting. This governs the maximum speed that you can go. Here we have the operation panel with the LCD display. I'm going to explain about the operation panel in a different video. So that is the overview of your baby lock, your Brother Innov-ís, and the BQ950. That's your overview of this machine. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it to be helpful. If you have, give us a thumbs up. If you have comments or questions, you can leave those in the area down below. We have lots of other videos on this machine and on other machines here on our Montavilla YouTube channel, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.